Welcome back to RBO. Today you guys are going to be taking a look at the Outdoor Product Survival Kit. This is actually a pouch for a carry-on duffel bag that you take when you go out of state and you want to bring back a whole bunch of stuff. Like when we went down to Arizona, we bring back a whole bunch of Mexican blankets and whatnot. And we just fill the duffel bag up. This is the pouch the bag will be held in, and I repurpose it. So this is a basic pouch. Has this kind of zipper that opens this up like a capsule, kind of. And yeah, it has this nice little handle so you can carry it. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so on top, pretty much see we have an abundance of different things. Put you off to the side here. Try to put everything right here. Right off the top, we have 4 packs of fan warmers. I know people have commented in the past that I should also put the feet warmers, but I just like the hand warmers. And the other ones are like pads. These are kind of, I don't know, these are just thicker. I think they produce more heat, so I like carrying them. Plus, they're not really meant to actually be hand warmers for your body. They're more or less to make your shelter survivable for the night, like it's dark and cold. Here, we have an emergency shelter, just a basic A-frame, and comes with the strings right here. It's pretty much a large Mylar blanket, so worst comes to worst, you just wrap yourself up with this a couple times. Keep you dry, we have a clear rain fly, or rain poncho. For nutrients, you got 2 packs of dried nuts and fruits. And we also have some crackers from a Russian MRE. For signaling, we went ahead and thrown in a marine flare. So this is a basic hand flare. This is not going through the air. I am working on getting some of those aerial flares to add some of these kits. In here, we kind of have our water, or a beverage bag. Here we have 3 different packets of coffee and sugars, and the 3 different instant coffees. Here we have 3 packs of vitamin C. One of my cut open packs made it in there. Just my coffee. And we also went ahead and added 2 packs of mustard. This is great for cramping. Thank you to D-Gunner, or D-Gun. Thank you very much, sir. And for water containment, we have our basic military canteen with our little boiling pot. Put that right there. Here's our multi-tool. I love this multi-tool because it comes with a stringer of different attachments. So if you really need to disassemble something or fix something or work on gear, knives, tools, stuff like that, it's a great little multi-tool. I do not know the brand for this one. It's just a basic one that came in another kit. But it is a great multi-tool. It has all the basic knives and saws and whatnot. Something you guys have seen 1,000 times. Another way of signaling, we have our 12 Survivors signal mirror. For light, we have our basic flashlight from Walmart. Actually, I think this is Maker's Mark, so this is Sam's Club. I like this one because it's nice and bright, and it also zooms. Here, we just have a liner of 550 paracord, I believe 50 feet. Another way of keeping warm, we just have a basic emergency blanket or Mylar blanket. These are great for reflecting heat. And if you didn't have this, you could use this for making shelter. For gear repair, we have our survival sewing kit. This is, I'll say it's basic, but it's not basic at all. It has pretty much anything you need to repair almost any piece of gear. if you know what you're doing, of course. It's all about knowledge. You can have all the stuff, but you need to know how to use it. Here, we have some UCO Stormproof matches. Also a fire starter. This actually breaks up into 2 different blocks, so you can start 2 fires with that. Here we have a basic signal whistle. This can clip onto your shirt or your pants or anything like that. It's nice and orange, so you drop it, you can see it. I went ahead and thrown in one of my basic fishing kits. I made out of a little spice bottle. Here you just got your hooks and your sinkers inside. You got your line wrapped around the exterior. I built the borders with some thicker tape. I got a little piece of tape holding on the end line there. You also have this as a beverage bag. Just to throw in there. I was holding the coffees and the vitamin C. Also thrown in a P51 can opener just in case. Along with a survival card from UTS or UST. And for water purification, I have my water purification tablets. And for my main tool, I have my Mora Gerberg or Garbarg. It also has a ferrocerium striker here and a blade sharpener on the exterior or other side. Here we have a Contractor 55-gallon bag. This can work great for either making a sleeping bag or mattress to sleep on, or just put it over yourself if your poncho rips. So it's great to have backups. And cover is a great thing to have. Here we have a basic bandana. It can work for multiple things, but mostly for signaling. It's a great thing to have something nice and bright. And for navigation, we have my military compass and a little pouch. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.